In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute in Microsoft Teams. When you're in a meeting in Teams, your microphone is controlled directly from the meeting toolbar, which usually appears in the middle or the bottom of your screen. One of the main icons on that bar is the microphone icon. This icon is what you'll use to mute and unmute yourself during the call. First, make sure you're actually in a Teams meeting or call. Once you've joined, move your mouse or tap your screen if you're on a mobile device, and look for the toolbar that appears. You'll see several icons like the camera, the microphone, and options to share your screen. Focus on the mic icon. When you are muted, the microphone icon usually has a small slash or line through it, and it might be highlighted in a different color to show that your mic is off. To unmute yourself, simply click on the mic icon once. After you click, the slash should disappear and the icon will change to show that your microphone is now active. At this point, other people in the meeting will be able to hear you. If you click the microphone again, you'll mute yourself once more. So think of it as a simple toggle. Click to unmute, click again to mute. It's a good idea to quickly check the icon before you start talking, just to make sure your voice will actually be heard. On some versions of Teams, you may also see a small message or tooltip when you hover over the microphone icon, telling you if you're muted or unmuted. This can be helpful confirmation if you're not sure. If you're using a laptop with a built-in microphone or a headset, make sure those devices are properly connected and not muted at the hardware level. Even if the Teams icon shows that you're unmuted, a physical mute button on your headset or keyboard can still block your audio. To summarize, while you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting, bring up the meeting controls, find the microphone icon on the toolbar, and click on that mic icon to unmute yourself. Once the slash is gone and the icon looks active, you're ready to speak.